Hey YouTube, welcome to another Disney Uke challenge. Today coming at you from Lion King, originally sung by Elton John and redone just yesterday by Beyonce and Daniel Glover, the song Can You Feel the Love Tonight? Alright, without further ado, let's jump in. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, go grab your tab sheet at my new website, FINGERSTYLE Link below in the description. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any piece of this Disney Uke challenge that's been coming your way all summer long. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Piece it together, impress your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.